Hi friends, today we are going to see the tutorial based on web designing, and initially I will just tell you how to use a HTML tags on a simple string. So I'm going to open the program which I have typed before itself. So I'm just opening with notepad. So basically I just wanted to tell you one thing. Whenever you type HTML code, okay, HTML code, open an HTML code to be typed in notepad only. So typed in notepad only. Open a notepad and you just start typing the HTML code like this in notepad. Okay. So I will just explain you the program what I have typed and kept here. So for a tag, I'm just going to take this string, web design. Web design, this is the string I'm going to use here, web design. So for this particular string, I'm going to apply some of the HTML tags and I will show you the designs which is appearing on the screen. So this is the HTML tag. Initially we have to type HTML. This is a must. We should not start without HTML tag. It won't be reflected anything. So HTML and head part should be must, mandatory, and title. What is the program of the title? So web designing. We are just going to learn web designing. So I have typed the title web design slash title. We have to close the title. Instead, we should not leave it. Once we are just going to use title, we have to complete with the tag and close the tag with the same. See here title. I'm just closing with slash title, which means we have closed the title. That's it. Don't confuse yourself. And in head part slash head, there is nothing wrong with that. We should not wanted to continue this head part to till the last, so that's not a major thing. But HTML tag, this is the main thing. It is a hypertext markup language, so we are just telling to the system that we are using a HTML hypertext markup language, and within that these tags are coming. So we are just telling that browser on telling our system, instructing that it is a HTML program. Okay, because of that we should not close this HTML before itself. So we are just going to close at the end of the program. Okay. uh, so for this particular string, I'm just going to tell you. See, h1 align is equal to center. So if we tell this header, h1 means header part, and I'm just aligning this section. I will just tell you in the later part, aligning to the center. So mark you loop is equal to 20, direction is equal to right, which means mark you means the string will be just going from the direction right, and it will be looping 20 times. Okay, it will be just simply going and coming direction in the direction of right side like 20 times. Okay, that is the meaning of that. What is the string here means, I have told you this h1 align equal to center, which we are aligning this section. Web design is the string part. We are aligning this string to the center. Okay, so we are just going to loop this one. Okay, then after that I'm just closing. There is no need to have this anymore, so I'm just closing with slash mark you and the header section only. We are just going to give the head, uh, we are going to make web design this only to center, so we will just close it. Okay, I'm just going to use some other alignments or some other things later, so I'm just closing it slash h1. Okay, then break. What is br means it is a break section. We are just leaving one space like that. Br means break. Okay, br means the break. I'm just leaving a sentence gap like that. Okay, so uh, P, which means paragraph. We are starting a paragraph, that is web design. This is a string and I'm just closing it. Okay, And for this P paragraph, I will just tell you in the future tutorials how we can use it for a paragraph. Okay, but now in this tutorial, this is a basic thing I will just tell you. So because of that, I am just using only a word, web design. Okay, so this is over. I'm just close this paragraph. This is not anymore reflected, so it is ended here itself. Okay, then web design HR align is equal to left, width is equal to 100. So this is a header section. I'm just using for this web design. Okay, there is no space in between. Align is equal to left, it should be in the left side, and width is equal to 100. Okay, that's it. Then break. Okay, web subscript, you know, the subscript and the superscript, it will be reflecting in the up, and the superscript will be in the downside. Okay, so I'm just using the web, and subscript will be the design. Okay, I'm just closing this subscript, that's it. I'm just using this subscript for only for design only, so I'm just closing it. Okay, so over. Then again break, because I'm just going to use separately, otherwise it would come along with that. Okay, without any space, without any sentence break, it will come along with that. That's what I'm using break again and again. Okay, there is nothing wrong with that. Even you can check with this one. So web superscript design and slash superscript, because I'm using only for design word, only for the word design, that's what I'm just closing. Okay, then there should be I just wanted one space between the other sentence, that's what I'm using break. Okay, then I which means italic, we'll be using you might have been familiar with word MS Word, so you can see there like Italian and bold, italic, and underline, those options will be there. So we can even use that in HTML code also. So I okay, I'm just using, we have to close that with the upper and lower case. Okay, like we'll be using a less than and greater than symbol, we have to be use in between that. And web design slash web okay, I'm just closing it. I just don't want to reflect it anymore to the other words also. If we did not close, it will reflect to the other words, that's what. Then break. Okay, sentence break I want. Then other word I'm using, and to that word, to the particular string, I'm going to use bold. Okay, so bold, web design slash bold. Okay, so this will be completed here itself, this will not reflect for any other string and anymore, so it will be completed here, and I will just show you in the output screen. And break. Okay, then underline, web design slash underline, I'm just going to complete it, break. Okay, then I'll just tell you that we are like MS Word, we can even set the size of the font, and type of the font we are just using, and the color of the string also. Like we have to type within the less than greater than symbol, font size is equal to 12 within quotes, face is equal to monotype cursiva. So I'm just going to use this type of font, and within double quotes. Okay, you should use within double quotes space, and color is equal to red within double quotes, close that tag. Okay, web design, for this particular string we are just going to apply this font size and font type and color. Okay, then slash font, because I don't want to reflect anymore, I'm just closing it. For this only string I wanted to use this type of font size and font face and color. Okay, then break. Okay, div style is equal to color is to blue, web design slash div. Okay, and then web span style is equal to color is to orange, and design. So same thing, I'm just going to apply only for this particular string, that's what I'm closing it. Okay, break. Some the web design, and the space between web and design, some spaces will be left, and I will tell you on the output screen, which you could clearly understand what this all means. And the strike option, as we know, this is a normal strike, and slash body and slash HTML. Okay, I will just tell you in the output screen what it reflects. Okay, this will be fine. I'm just we can open with the Chrome browser also, that's not a problem. I'm just opening with Firefox here, it is opening. Yeah, you can see from the left to the right direction, it was just going. Okay, it loops till 20 times because we have given here loop is equal to we have given here loop is equal to 20. That is the meaning of that. It will be just going from left to the right direction. Okay, they have told a subscript, and subscript will be below this word as web and design. Then this is a superscript which is above this word web. Okay, because I have used this one I have given a font like italic. See the font, it is an italic, and this is bold. I have given as bold, that's what it is in bold, B. And I have given this word in underlined. Okay, it is an underlined. And for this we have given the font size is equal to something like a 12, or a color is equal to red, and the font type is a mounted cursive. Okay, that's what it was reflecting here. Okay, it was big in size because we have given the font size and everything. So here also we have given this blue color, and we have done this. And like a web design, for this design we have given a color. And web design I have told I ampersand IEXCL, which is exclamatory. Okay, we can see here this exclamatory options, exclamatory symbol is here. And then ampersand TNBSB. Okay, that is a space between web and design. And ampersand quote, that is the quotation between the word. Okay, between the quotation web design word is present here. And then strike is the web design word is striked here with a line. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. And if you have any doubts, you can comment below the video, and you can subscribe for other future videos which will be coming soon. And thank you friends. If you